OK Furniture's great Christmas sale is now on with unbeatable deals for every room in your home. From quality lounge suites to stylish kitchen schemes, you'll find the biggest savings on home essentials at OK Furniture. These deals are valid until 23 November 2025 only. So get to a store near you or shop online to save on upgrading your space for the season. While stocks last, T's and C's apply. It is good to be powered by World Sports Betting. It is good times at co.za. It's Mamelodi Sundowns 1, TS Galaxy 0. All the time when TS Galaxy are playing Sundowns, they put their best foot forward. That was the case today as well, where in the first half, they played one of their best games, really. It was a matter of finishing, and Mamelodi Sundowns were a little bit fragile at the back. Sundowns got their game together in the second half, and they scored one, although they could have scored two. Questionable decisions from the referee in the first half. There's a moment where Sundowns has got a ball, and they eventually score. The referee blows the whistle to say it's a free kick for Sundowns as opposed to playing advantage. That would have been a goal for Sundowns in the first half. In the second half as well, there's a penalty to Ikram Reynas. It eventually leads to a goal. They don't give the penalty and they take out the goal as well. So there was that to discuss for Sundowns fans. Although it was an interesting game for ETS Galaxy, the refereeing has nothing to do with the TS Galaxy. They had a very decent plan. Sundowns also knew how to read the game. They had a better response in the second half. Bobzit, what did you make of the game, sir?
Nkulewo ithi ngibulise bhuti.
Yes sir.
Ngibulise uJustin Olindo no.
Yes sir.
Ngibulise no Junior.
Yes sir.
Yeah,
Do you trim your own self?
yeah, ngiyasithuma.
I've always aspired to trim myself, but I end up just shaving everything.
Yeah,
I don't know if I'm a good artist enough to trim myself. You've had experience. You've been shaving for a long time.
Yeah, injalo Nkulewo.
Yes sir.
So yeah, Nkulewo ithi ngibongisa Sundowns today. It was a tough match for Sundowns. You know, when they play against ETS Galaxy. I-game Sundowns cishe ungayithatha ifanise neDerby Sundowns when Sundowns idlala neTS Galaxy.
Yeah.
Njengoba usho ukuthi iGalaxy iya nga everything.
They put the best foot forward against Sundowns.
I-game plan yabo ihlala spot on. Just that ngoba mhlawumbe abazange babe clinical up front. Uma ungabheka ba absorb i-pressure eMamelodi Sundowns. They allow Sundowns ukuthi inokipola, then always 9 players behind the ball.
Yeah.
Zindonga is the one who pressing, but aka press nakhona nje guide Sundowns ukuthi izama ukubreak ibuye ize la kubo. So idlale kathi TS Galaxy first half ngiyacabanga ithola ama chances la khona bekumele ngabe
It was goal scoring opportunities.
Exactly, you understand. So but abazange babe good ku finishing yabo.
Yeah.
That is why ngibona i-Sundowns be struggleisha kancane, especially ukudefender kule line ebekade ingapha kubo Cupido, because into Galaxy beyifuna speed. That is why bengabona Opera today akhuphuka. It's because of Upuso was making ama run ngale. Bekam keep up busy, and uma ungabheka uFisher akamlandeli uhlezi ulinda uMatthews ukuthi uMatthews angasebenzisi lela line. Just that Upuso umuntu arun. Then manje strike esifana noZindonga uyu umuntu engibonayo ukuthi always mabhola mawaletha kuye uya chase uya hold uya shielder ngaso sonke isikhathi ufuna ukuthi bavele. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi ukungabi khona ngazi abadlali emfana nabo Mvelase maybe bekuzoba khona something njengoba sibaza aboMvelase ukuthi nabo mangabe bayajoina bayingozi ku TS Galaxy. So ngiyacabanga aboMaduna.
Yeah, no Mahlambi, they did say, even the commentary team, today was not his best game. Because normally naye when he's in the game.
uMahlambi into emenze ukuthi angadlali hile opponent.
Yeah.
If you can check uSailor uyenza uMahlambi angadlali.
Yeah.
Yes, uMahlambi kwamanye ama game.
Sometimes you can be off in a game,
Yeah.
or the opponent is dominating.
Yeah, I think uSailor today he did very well for his Sundowns. Ungabheka kunama amarereng amabhola la khona ubona asave Sundowns la iChess Galaxy mele punish.
Clearance on the line. That was supposed to be a goal.
Yeah.
So it's a pattern that we're seeing. If we are Kumbuli game Amazulu now, we were watching it here against the Sundowns. That Sundowns will give you chances at the back with defense.
Yeah.
It's just a matter of the opponent finishing, because you can't get Ibola Upuso enza a deep run.
Yeah.
They find him. Ushawa trapping. Uronza is out of his area.
Yeah.
And it's those small moments, and of course the beautiful clearance by Umutao. If you score 2 of those goals, then you can defend every man behind the ball.
Exactly, Nkuleka. And I will give credit to Uronza ukuthi naye akusumuntu okuhlala. He's a sweeper. if bongomunye goalkeeper because trap al control futhi ubuso then kube i1v1 no Ronza. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi they did very well lapha eMovies Sundowns. Nayo iTS Galaxy first half idlale kahle, but second half I like the way Cardoso enze ngakhona today.
Yeah.
We really game yakhe.
Good substitutions.
Angifuni ukutshela manga spot on mangabheka ama substitutes wakhe. Diyawenza ngakhona ubonile ukuthi uyamdinga umdlalo ofana no Cells because mangabheka umdlalo ofana noTsiki beyangena ngaphakathi Nkuleko always ufuna ukudlala lapha kulama pockets udlala yes as a half winger but uzala ngaphakathi uzojoina umdlalo ofana nobani nabo Nuno beka out today uNuno cishe nale game efana na Orlando Pirates uma ungabheka going forward lama pass ajwayele ukwashaya ngasho ngathi angifuni ukumfakela ipressure kunama game la khona kumele ukuthi se understand ukuthi usadlala namanye ama team la khona bangamnikezi le space so ku receiver at 10 you understand so uma ungayibheka the way adlale ngakhona uTsiki kwenza ukuthi angabuyise kona alpha because ubona ulethu Sales sting umdlali Nkuleko the way iSundowns bedlala ngakhona if kune team edlala low block you need someone ozo carry ball someone ozokhona ukattack space kube ne creativity individual brilliant you understand that is why abantu abaningi bazothi sizokhumbula uLucas because uRibeiro mangabe bekukanje uyomile ukuthi athathe ibhola a challenge alande opponent you understand athathe responsibility so thina siloko sifuna ukudlala ukubreaka ngama lighting ngakuma pockets but siyahluleka because iTS Galaxy ihleze emuva ilindi counter attack so into engibonile ama sub wakhe amsebenzele kakhulu
I want to talk to you about the differences between your strikers.
Yeah.
You have a striker in the first half, Peter Shalulile, who's had a brilliant career.
Yeah.
He's the highest ever goal scorer in the history of the Premier Soccer League. He is not troubling ama center backs about Silva.
Yeah.
TS Galaxy. In fact, Uyaz Makisa because he's next to them. What did we see Ikram? What was he doing different? Mangena ku second half.
Ukuze sitholele goal Nkuleko. Ile sap ya Renas nesap yabo Sales. Uma ungabheka umehluko lama striker. uRenas uyakwazi ukusplita the two center back ye-TS Galaxy lama runner washayayo wenza ukuthi i-center back ye1 izomlandela the more imlandela kuzovuleka ispace la khona sizokhona ukusebenzisa leso space ukuthi sikwazi ukuphanisha leya team so uShalulile always umuntu oshieldayo phela uShalulile it's striker esifinishayo ngaso sonke isikhathi ufuna ukudlala next to the box uShalulile is a finisher so but uRenas mongambheka uyakwazi ukushaya ama run and le energy nayo uRenas wenza ukuthi always ama defender angakholi kuba organized at the back because the more athatha ama run na kanjani Nkuleko nizohlukana the more omunye uzothumela sometimes nizoyana u2 kuvuleka ispace then sinipunish you understand so I think abanye abantu banokukhuluma mangithi mina uRenas akwazi ukubeka uRenas ngibenchini kunoShasha uShasha wenze okuhle kakhulu for iMamelodi Sundowns kunama game la uShasha ungamcala khona but angikwazi ukuthi ngicala ngoShasha kuneRenas noma bangathi ama game kanjani uRenas will give you something Renas Nkuleko ngifuna ukutshela ngoRenas uyakwazi ukudlala eboxini uRenas uyakwazi ukuthi abuye deep uma ngabe team ufuna ukudlala offside trap but lama run awashaka bheka lama run awenzile uRenas Nkuleko ilawa ayenza ukuthi iSundowns at the end of the day ikwazi ukuba ingozi because most of the time besifuna ukudlala size ngama pockets besingakhona ukuthola i-striker behind the defense but now ku introduce uRenas kwenza ukuthi iSundowns ikwazi ukuthi ithole lama chances ewatholile and TS Galaxy mangathi uyabheka ama substitute wakhe coach we-TS Galaxy after Sundowns scoring sokumele ukuthi badlale manje kumele ba-attack iSundowns
you can't defend anymore
wenzani le speed ebekasebenza ngaso sabo Puso nabo Zindonga ubadonsile so letha abadlali manje uyazi ukuthi Sundowns angeke samnikeze space behind the defense because now Sundowns is leading they're going to build kuRonza the space bazoba basivalile wenzani uletha abadlali afuna ukuthi bazodlala enyaweni siyambona uma keep abadlali abafana nabo aboPuso nabo Zindonga uletha abadlali esazi ukuthi ufuna bazodlala manje so ube disappointed because Sundowns if you are leader nge-ball position keep ball position kuzoba nzima for wena ukuthi ulithole and uthole le space behind the defense.
Let's talk about the ref. What was your opinion? Did you think it was a negative performance in terms of the goal you scored should have been an advantage? Penalty on Ikram Renas. Were you happy with the officiating?
Yeah, Nkuleko uma ungayibheka lela bhola leli Sundowns beyikore lona le advantage. Ureferee ubona ulineman uma aphakamisa iflag. Then uma aphakamisa iflag ublow iwhistle. I think ulineman mongambheka iflag lakhe beliphezulu. Ngiya-understand ukuthi kusho ubonile ukuthi kune foul. And lento yenzeke fast. Mina ngi-understanding yami.
Sure.
Yona it was like bekumele uthi play on because when as a referee mangabe ubonile ukuthi lineman ujajela uMdawu then ibhola nali liwina uMatthews you can say play on but ngiyacabanga ukuthi lento yenzeke fast that is why he blow the whistle So ilapho but leya ka Rangers I don't know ukuthi why balijudgile bathi handball because umuntu mangabe angekho balance alele phansi.
Okokuqala,
Yeah.
it's a penalty.
Yeah.
That moment
Yeah.
is two things.
Yeah.
It's a penalty that they're not giving to Rangers. Secondly, it goes in. I can't remember how it goes in, but it does go in, it becomes a goal. Now they're also judging a handball, and it's not something that you can clearly see as a handball as well.
Yeah, but la uyazi Nkululeko ukuthi la ku Betway singakhuluma kuze kuphele isizini ngama decision abo referee lento vele mhlawumbe sihlala siyibona ngama season because abayenzi kulama game afana nalawo. Even nalama game adlalayo mhlawumbe bu cheap up Lukwane City ziningi izinto ezenzakala ezifana nalezi kubo referee.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much, Bobzit. That was Mamelodi Sundowns against ETS Galaxy. Could have been a different scoreline, really, if TS Galaxy were clinical. Sundowns will give you some chances sometimes if you go at their defense. And of course, there is a structure and the framework that you can employ when playing against them. There's a point where if they score, they will score more. Ikram Reyners coming into the party, not that confident in front of goals, but also but very good in terms of making those runs. Once he finds form, I believe there is a top goal scorer there waiting to happen, as he always does anyways in previous seasons. It is Itiski Times, we're suspecting.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.